What was Biden's criticism about Trump's reflecting pool and arch construction? The answer reveals how architecture can symbolize more than just design. You might be surprised by the political and cultural layers behind these projects. Joe Biden openly criticized Trump's plans for the reflecting pool, describing it as a wasteful and ostentatious use of taxpayer money. Biden argued the construction was more about vanity than serving the public or honoring history. The reflecting pool is a historic site, deeply tied to American identity, and Biden saw Trump's modifications as disrespectful to that legacy. This criticism tapped into a broader debate about how public spaces should reflect national values, not personal agendas. Regarding the arch construction, Biden expressed concerns that it was an example of political messaging disguised as architecture. He suggested the arch was less about bringing people together and more about making a divisive statement. The arch's style and scale were criticized for overshadowing existing monuments and for representing a personal brand instead of national unity. Biden's comments reflected a desire for government projects to promote inclusion and respect historical context. Biden's criticism of Trump's reflecting pool and arch construction goes beyond aesthetics. It highlights how public projects can reflect deeper values and political messages. If you want to uncover more surprising truths behind the headlines, hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.